Hi friends, in the last video we discussed about what is system and what is signal. In this video we will go to see what are the two parameters or two variable parameters in signal. There are two variable parameters in general signals. Those are, first one is amplitude and the second one is time period. These two are variable parameters in signals. First, let's consider a sinusoidal signal. Here, this sinusoidal signal having the amplitude plus 2 volt to minus 2 volt. Consider this is one peak and this is another peak. What is the distance between top peak to down peak, or what is the distance between the two peaks? Is nothing but the amplitude. Okay, this amplitude is also known as peak to peak amplitude. First consider here, this is plus 2 volts, this is minus 2 volts. That means from here to here we have 2 volts and also here to here we have 2 volts. That is total 4 volts amplitude. This peak to peak, VPP. VPP is nothing but voltage from one peak to another peak, is nothing but here 4 volts is the voltage from peak to peak. This voltage is nothing but the amplitude. Amplitude is also known as magnitude or voltage or strength. Okay, this is the amplitude. And here also observe we have plus 2 volts as a voltage of on the top side and minus 2 voltage as downside. This is nothing but the voltages. When we consider the amplitude, only we have to consider the top side only. That is, this is 2 volts amplitude. When we consider peak to peak amplitude, that means from top to bottom, then only we have to consider from top to bottom. In generally, amplitude means what is the portion in the positive side. That is nothing but amplitude. Whenever we consider the peak to peak, then only we have to consider from top to bottom amplitude. Okay, I hope you have understand. And the definition for amplitude is the distance between the peak to peak. The peak to peak distance is nothing but the amplitude. Okay, and the next thing is time period. This is the one of the important parameters for analyzing the signals. Time period is nothing but the signal. Okay, consider here. Suppose this is the time axis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, observe from here to here we have one cycle, and also from here to here we have another cycle. This is nothing but one time period. From here to here we have half cycle time period, and from here to here we have full cycle time period. At anywhere we only consider full cycle time period as our signal time period. Suppose consider from 0 to 2 we have full cycle. Full cycle is nothing but one half cycle and another half cycle. One positive half cycle and another negative half cycle is nothing but full cycle. The distance of full cycle is nothing but time period. Here I have one question. What is the time period of the signal? The time period of the signal is nothing but 0 to 2. That is 2 seconds or milliseconds, whatever it may be. 2 is the time period. This is also a variable parameter in signals. From the time period we can calculate the frequency. We know the relation between the time period and frequency is T is equal to 1 by F or F equal to 1 by T. Here T is the time period and F is the frequency of a signal. This is how we can find the amplitude and time period of a signals by observing the signal. Okay, I hope you have understand. Thank you for watching this video.